In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or looking to enhance your presentation skills, this video will guide you through the essential steps to make the most out of the Presenter View feature. First, let's start by accessing Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In and enter your login details. If you don't have an account, take a moment to sign up by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you're securely logged in and you'll be ready to start setting up your meeting. Now that you're inside Teams, locate the video icon, which is typically on the sidebar at the left. Clicking this will direct you to the video conferencing feature. Once you're here, you'll see an option that says Start Meeting. Click on this to initiate a new meeting session. Now you're pacing towards the exciting part, presenting your content. In the meeting window, notice the toolbar that appears at the bottom. Here you'll find a button labeled Share. Clicking Share brings up several choices for sharing content with your meeting participants. These options include sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a tab. To proceed with Presenter View, choose the option that reads Screen, Window, or Tab. Now select Entire Screen. This selection ensures that everything you display is visible to your audience, allowing them to follow along seamlessly as you navigate through your presentation. At this point, you'll want to open the file you plan to present. It could be a PowerPoint presentation, a document, or even a web page you want to discuss. Have this file ready and open it once you've begun sharing your screen. This will bring your presentation to the foreground, making it the center of attention for everyone attending the meeting. Remember, practice makes perfect. Before your actual meeting, consider doing a test run with a colleague or friend. This way you can become comfortable with the interface and troubleshoot any issues that might arise, ensuring you have a smooth presentation experience when it counts. By following these steps, you're now ready to effectively use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're pitching a project or conducting a conference, this skill will undoubtedly enhance your communication efforts. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in your ability to deliver outstanding presentations using Microsoft Teams. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more tutorials.